Information: EF2 tornado damage in Bridgeton, EF3 tornado damage in Rolla. Des Arc is a town in southern Iron County that has massive damage, EF3 type tornado damage. There's also some EF2 damage near Morse Mill. This storm system may have tracked all the way up into Arnold. And then we've been highlighting at times the EF2, EF1 damage through parts of Franklin County, including in Gray Summit and the Purina Farms Research Facility. Now, the National Weather Service thinks there also may be some tornado damage within this zone through parts of Madison County and St. Clair County. So I think over the next couple of days, they will be looking at damage.